Memorization obviously plays a big part in this examination. So I would make my notes very crisp, and I would have different notes that I would need to revise just once a month, which I would remember, and there would be some notes that I would have to look back weekly. So my current affairs notes, whichever small things I had written, I would try and revisit them most of the time. And I would also if we were a group of friends preparing together, we would like randomly ask each other questions of things that we wanted to memorize, and while traveling we would revise together. So I think constant revisiting of the sources as well as recall memory would really help in improving the memorization part of the syllabus. And there are some subjects which are intensive in the memorization part, especially like history and so the facts and all of that. So I used to make a timeline based approach to memorize the events and the dates and the key players. So my notes were systematic on things that I wanted to memorize. My revision strategy was very clear. I had made like a sheet, and all the standard books I'd written and all the current affairs of the 12 months, I had made that in one column, and then I had made 4 different columns, and every time I revised it I would make a tick. So I had to, in the 2 months before prelims, I visited all the standard books and all the current affairs at least 4 times. So revision strategy, I think for prelims specifically, is the 2 months before prelims you have to touch all of the sources. For me, I had to touch all of the sources at least 3 to 4 times, and I did that by dividing my day. A major chunk of it would be revision, and then the rest of it would be a test. So revision is something that you need to keep track of. When did you last revisit one thing, and ensure that you don't spend a lot of time on something that you've just revised, but you also revisit a source in the in the amount of time that you have predetermined. So I would keep a track and the date on which I last revisited a set of notes, and then I try to revisit them maybe like 10 days later or a month later. So that's how I used my revision. And current affairs, I revised the entire monthly magazine and whatever small notes that I had, and I also used test series as a form of revision. So if I was getting something wrong in the test series, then I would go back and revise those notes, the question that I got wrong. Managing time between old sources and new topics, I first in every day I would ensure that new topic is also covered and some old one is also revised. There are some subjects which I thought that I was stronger in, and which was not very dynamic, so I would not find the new topics. But current affairs is something that I did on a daily basis, so new topics were covered in the morning as well as in the night, and then between time I would revise, and if there is anything newer that was needed, I would add that in between. I would divide my day. I had slots before breakfast, after breakfast, and before lunch, then after lunch the afternoon time, then the evening time, and then a little bit of night time. So I ensured that I did something different in all these slots and didn't continue one thing for a really long time, so it helped my productivity. And distractions, I was out of social media, and I was cut off from a lot of people, so I tried to keep myself away from most conventional distractions, and I think that is important. This exam requires a lot of your time and your effort, so you need to make that conscious choice to give it both.